What up, guys? Um, I just wanted to do a little video on a metal kickstand I made out of a toy RC helicopter. Excuse me. Um, the front of the helicopter was plastic, but the rest was metal. And I wanted a kickstand for my phone because get on YouTube and Facebook and stuff quite a bit. So, um, kind of wanted a little kickstand. But I didn't want one that was really heavy or was ugly. But this is decent. It took me 20 minutes to make, roughly. It's very lightweight, very small, as you can see. But yeah, I'll do a little test on my iPhone right here. This case I have on here, it's a waterproof case actually. It's makes the phone weigh a lot more. So yeah, so I'm not gonna hold that up. But if you have iPhone without the case, it could possibly hold that. So I'll clamp this down just to show you positioning and the angle and everything of it. Alright. So it is on there. Okay. So, yeah. If you get on here a lot, YouTube or Facebook or Google or whichever, and you don't like holding your phone because you're on it for a long time, I would think about making something that will hold your phone up, and this works like perfectly fine. If you have like a small phone and a lightweight phone or tablet or something, then it'll go up that way, but this makes my phone really big. So yeah. Size. This is like, I'd say a medium-sized RC helicopter. You can get a real small one or medium-sized one like I have, or actually a really huge one. Your kickstand will all depend on the size of the helicopter you get. Smaller obviously will hold smaller, bigger will hold like something like an iPad or something in that category. So, but make two. One for your phone, one for your iPad, whatever. So, yeah, pretty good. Comment, rate, subscribe for more how-tos and possibly a tutorial on how to make this. Thanks, guys.